Perimeter security starts with awareness, knowing what is there, where it is, and how it moves, in real time. This is the Mira Technologies radar solution, designed to detect, track, and verify intrusions before they become incidents. At the core of the system is radar detection, providing a wide field of view of up to 120 degrees. The detection zone is fully configurable. Distance, angle, and sensitivity can be precisely adjusted to match the site's real geometry. This allows accurate detection of people and vehicles, even in challenging environments or low visibility conditions. Once a target is detected, the system immediately classifies and tracks it in real time. You can follow live movement paths for the target, with continuous updates directly inside the radar interface. No delay, just real-time situational awareness. What makes Magus Radar truly powerful is data fusion. Radar data is fused with video, sensors, and external systems into a single operational view. The Magus command and control platform can integrate any type of camera directly into the radar application: thermal, optical, fixed, or PTZ. When a target is detected by radar, the camera automatically locks on it. PTZ cameras perform automatic auto-tracking, guided by precise radar coordinates. The result is instant visual confirmation, no manual intervention, no guesswork. The same logic applies to both human intrusions and vehicle detection. Whether it's a person crossing a restricted area or a vehicle approaching a secure perimeter, the system reacts the same way: detect, track, verify. Radar detection does not depend on height. Even when an intruder is moving at ground level, crawling, or trying to avoid cameras, the radar still detects and tracks the target. Low-profile movement does not bypass the system. Magus Radar is not just detection. Magus Radar detects what others try to hide: standing, walking, driving, or crawling. It's correlation, it's automation, it's faster decision-making. Mira Technologies, security designed to see first and react smarter.